friends, it is Running Kimono, and even before we dive into the awesome deals, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, I bought some cereal, got back 50 cents, and then I did the Axe deal from Friday and got back $10. This is the app where you buy stuff, take photos. If it's part of their catalog, you're getting back extra points, and it's just an amazing tool if you are a casual shopper or extreme couponer. So guys, check out the link in the description. Use that link, which has my referral code. You're given an extra $2 when you photograph your first receipt. It could be a Egg McMuffin you bought last week or some toothpaste you bought at Walgreens. It's that simple. And this is for new signups only. And why this is so great is that if you're buying groceries or stuff that doesn't have coupons for, you're still given points. Once you accrue $3 to $5, you can get yourself a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. It is that simple and easy and a terrific app. No matter what you're buying, photograph your receipts with this app to accrue these points towards gift cards. It is smart shopping. Okay, guys, so this is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 8th to the 14th. Lots of superb deals in this flyer. It is going to be a terrific week just looking at the breakdowns and lots of steals and deals in this one. Last Wednesday, if you were so lucky to receive one of these, not every card gets them, but it's a special digital booster. I got a 3 back when you spend $25. And then if you have a paper one like this that comes out of the Catalina machine, the two of them stack. So keep your eyes out for both. Just terrific. A couple rules. They are of a one-time use. For that $25 one, of course, you have to spend $25 before coupons. No IVC, store coupons, or Walgreens cash can use in concert with this. It is stackable with the paper booster. And again, do not use your Walgreens cash or you will not receive the whatever the reward of the booster is. Okay, so we have some deals of the week. Buy 2, get back $4 of Walgreens cash. We're specifically looking at this one, $3, and then we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, plus this dollar one, so we're going to use both of them in concert. Let's grab 4 tubes of the Crest toothpaste for $12. Subtracting the 5 off of 3 and the dollar digital, you're paying $6, getting back $8 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $2 money maker. If you are doing this deal on its own and you want to flip a little bit of Walgreens cash, yes, you can spend it to earn it in this specific scenario. Also, looking on that bingo chart, we have some Head and Shoulders, so we're going to utilize this $3 digital coupon. So hopefully you can load this one right away. I'm grabbing 2 of the Head and Shoulders at $6 a pop. That's $12. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $9 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per bottle. It is okay to use Walgreens cash for this purchase if you're just doing this deal on its own. This one's on its own promotion, 2 for $12, $4 register reward when you buy 4. So a little bit different. It is not on the same promotion as the last little dealio. Now we also have this 5 off of 3. If you didn't use it last week, let's toss it into this deal. Along with if you might have a 5 back when you spend $20, this booster. I know this one is from last week. I just unfortunately got the $3 one. This is the most advantageous one to use. And I also got this out of the Catalina machine. It's $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. How generous is that? So the math breakdown for this is let's grab 4 of the Olay body washes. That's $24. We have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20, along with the paper one. And we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So get the cashier to scan all the body washes, scan the booster, that digital coupon will come off. You're paying $19 out of pocket, either your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. And then you're getting back $11 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, plus a $4 register reward, making it 4 for $4 or $1 per body wash. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one because it is a spend offer with the boosters. You must pay debit card, credit card, that sort of thing for the balance. Okay, so Rimmel Cosmetics is 40% off, so this is really fantastic. We have digitally this $1 off, a $2 off, and a 4 off of 2 IVC coupon. Hopefully you have all of these. Now, if you might have used your IVC, you also have this 4 off of 2 found on page 20. Get the cashier to scan this, and it'll apply to the items in your basket. So we're just going to jog through a couple of these. So this first one is $4.29. With 40% off, it's $2.58. Subtracting that $2 IVC and the $2 manufacturer, it's going to be free. If you do this as a curbside pickup, that's how it's going to shake out. If you're doing this in store, let me just get the old calculator out here. you would be $1.42 short, so you'd have to grab another cheap product to use the rest of that digital coupon. Grabbing this little eye makeup palette for $5.40 at 40% off, subtracting the $2 IBC and the $2 manufacturer, that's $1.40. So if you wanted something a little bit more substantial than just like eye makeup remover, this might be totally for you. I think I'm going to be grabbing this on both of my store cards. And then this beautiful mascara at 40% off is $4.50. Again, subtracting the IVC and the $2 manufacturer is 50 cents. So there's going to be lots of different scenarios to look at on Sunday. If you love Rimmel makeup, you'll be able to get it for next to nothing starting on Sunday. Okay, the next deal is on the Yardley Bar Soap. It is 69 cents. This stuff is usually like $1 or 99 cents. We also have this digital coupon, which is $1 off 3. So please make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. Okay, so grabbing 3 bars of the Yardley, that's $2.07 on the nose. Subtracting that $1 off 3 digital, you're paying $1.07 for the 3 bars, shaking it out to 35 cents per bar. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, if you're buying this on its own, go for it. Now the all detergent is $2.99, $1 of Walgreens cash when you buy one. I know there's a $2 coupon in one of the inserts floating around, so you might be able to get some stuff for free. But if you have no coupons, here's the deal for you. Grabbing 4 of the all detergents for $11.96, I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay that $1.96 out of pocket, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per detergent. If you're doing this deal on its own and you want to flip that Walgreens cash, you can absolutely do it because it is a buy deal. Now we have a little side of fancy with the Talenti Gelato. This stuff is really good if you've ever tried it. High quality ingredients, and it is so scrumptious if you love sweet treats. So this guy is 2 for $8, so they're $4 a pop. If you go over to the coupons.com app, there's a $2.50 back when you buy 2. This is a very strict app that you can't use any manufacturers in concert with it. So if you just buy these outright for $8, and then make that submission to coupons.com for $2.50. It's $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per pint. You need a balance for your receipt to successfully submit to coupons.com. So if you were going to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, please make sure you have at least a balance of something, or they might just reject your receipt altogether. Now, another freebie is with the Colgate, $2.99. There's a 3 off a 2 digital and $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Okay, so grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste, that's $5.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it free. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, I'm not even going to type these out. The Irish Spring Soft Soap is $3.99. There's going to be a $2 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.99. If you have a basket, like, buy 35, get back 3 or whatever it might be. This might be a great little thing to get your basket to that price point. And now we have Tide for $4.99. Last week, a digital for the liquid and the pod showed up, so it drops it down to $2.99. Again, another great little item to make your basket, 35 or 25 or whatever it might be. And the Scots and the Kleenex is $3.75. We have a $1.25 IVC, dropping it down to $3.75. Okay, guys, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. This is kind of an interesting one. $20 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and there's a $19.99 toothbrush included. So it's $19.99 all the way up to $200, depending how fancy you want to get with this. This is the cheapest brush. If you bought 2 of them, you would get back your $20. If you have a spend $50, get back $10, this might be something to throw into a basket. Perhaps you can make a deal of it. Now, this fancy coffee drink is $2.99. I believe Shopkick has exactly $1 back, so it would drop it down to $1.99. Double, triple check your app that you have this rebate. And then the Nexus, this deal is still taking place. I believe it's a monthly deal. It is after manufacturer coupons for that fetch rebate of spend 30, get back 10. So if you are very close to it, you might want to do one of these deals with Nexus. I know a lot of us probably blew through our coupons, but maybe some printables might show up. Maybe we'll be able to get creative with something. The Kellogg cereal is $1.88. There's going to be a 50-cent digital, dropping it down to $1.38. Okay, with back to school, lots of products are 49 cents. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, look at those Papermate pens and pencils for 99 cents. That right there is a stock up price. That stuff is usually like $2, $3, $4. It's expensive. So 99 cents is a wonderful stock up price. And then we also have 49 cents for these Crayola crayons. So if you have a little one that likes to color, it doesn't get any better than that. Usually they're like $1 or something. So 49 cents, not a bad price point. Some adult beverages. There's some mail-in rebates. You basically buy it, and then the mail-in rebate comes from the Catalina machine. You send it off to the manufacturer and they mail you a check or a prepaid credit card, so once per household. And then also the Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $8. I believe this is also part of Fetch Rewards catalog, so photograph your receipt if you're buying this bacon. Really a great price point. Okay, buy one, get two for free on the Arm & Hammer. Will that be $6 or $7 or $8? We don't know at this time. Just be mindful of that. If they really raise the price, like, $7.99, it might be just a little bit too much. And then just to show you something interesting here, $9.99 for the Cottonelle and $6.99 for the Charmin and Bounty. My goodness gracious, it looks like some prices are already increasing in store, which I do not like to see. And while you're out and about over at Walgreens, keep a watchful eye out for the cold and flu, different chapsticks, even cold medications. A lot of it is 90% off. If it has one of these orange stickers, you might want to ask a cashier to scan it, and you might be pleasantly surprised with the price points. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.